Hi, I'm Mike Brayer from Creative Photography in Guernsey. Today I'm going to show you how to take some great macro shots using some fairly inexpensive gear. We're using a Nikon 3100, which is an entry-level DSLR, a standard macro lens and a cable release. Okay, this makes sure our shots are nice and crisp and nice and sharp because we're not touching the camera when we're taking the shot. If you're new to macro photography, one of the best settings to use is aperture value. This means that you set the aperture of the camera, which is the hole to the middle of the lens that light travels through, and the camera does the rest. On this shot, I'm using f4, which is a very wide aperture, which will give us a small depth of field. Focusing is also very tricky because you're dealing with very narrow depths of field. The best way I find is to use live view and focus the lens manually. The beauty with live view is you can see exactly on the back of your camera on the big screen when it's in focus. You can see with the spider, it's a bit tricky because we've got a very narrow plane of focus, but here it's about right there. So again, we're going to leave it a few seconds to settle and then take our shot. There you go, perfect. We use the cable release to make sure we get the sharpest shot possible. Because we're focusing so close to the subject, any amount of camera shake from even pressing the button could cause the picture to be blurred. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the subject, wait a few seconds and then press the button. Another little trick we use is use a cheap water sprayer to spray some droplets of water on the flower to make it look like some early morning dew. Watch this.